Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing my Zodiac box. This is the April box. This is a monthly subscription based on your astrological sign, which is super cool. I am an Aries, so I selected that when I signed up. I do have a coupon code 10% off your first box with code Mom's Day. These are $39.95 a month. They did have some shipping delays because somehow people were getting the wrong astrological signs. They did make it right though, and I will say this. This is through Think Lucky. If you're not familiar with them, they do the Tarabella box, the Mommy Mail box, and also the My Fairy Chest. So this is an established company. You're not going to get, you know, like some people are nervous about subscriptions at first because, you know, sometimes they go away and then you get, you know, you don't get your money back or your money's worth. So here we go, right on top, my Zodiac box. And then your monthly horoscope as read by Ancesta Day, May 2018. It's okay to unravel completely in order to make progress. The mess is part of it and even beautiful sometimes. Chiron is now in Aries for the next 8 years, and you likely felt this through a big shift in your life or perspective. That's true. Your spontaneous nature makes it possible for you to embrace this change if you choose to, Aries. This knowledge will take on a new meaning for you by the end of the month. Keep an open mind as it continues to develop. The flower and moon at the end of May will offer you some peace of mind. Oh, I thought this was the April box. It's the May box. Oh, this tells us inside. So here's the pamphlet. Here's my astroscope. You know what I mean. And then inside it tells us what we're receiving, but we don't want to know that. So here's what it looks like. Are you excited? Because I'm so excited. Oh. A book all about me. Aries. I know that I'm like the baby of the Zodiac. I'm a fire sign, so I'm super passionate as a way. So this is definitely a cool little book to read. Okay. What's this? Ooh, Jesus. Ooh. Oh, look. How cool is this? It's like a little jewelry dish or whatever you use these for. And it does say Aries on the bottom, and it's signed, like, you know, it has the artist, like, handwriting signature. Demetria Chapo, I think is the name. So it's handmade. How cool. I love the color. Where am I going to put it? Ooh, I don't know. All right. Then we've got a really, oh, how cute is this? It's a constellation necklace. So it has the Aries constellation, and it's in silver. I love that. Oh, it's so pretty. It's from Buku Designs. Then we have, ooh, look at the bag. Oh, how cute. I love it. Red jasper. Ooh, it's red jasper. I love stones. Oh, look at this. Oh, how cool. It probably tells you the properties of the stone. Full of grounding earth energy, it can connect you deeply to the vibrations of the earth, bringing a greater understanding of the necessity of natural events. So there is that. Do you love it? I love it. What's your sign? I want to know down below. Tell me your sign. And if you're an Aries, I think we did this before. But anyway, we'll do it again, right? And okay, I think this is our final item. Here's the little, it looks like a candle from Patty Wax, and it's in a gold tin. I'm kind of partial to the gold tins. Don't even know why. Ooh, it has a, ooh, earthy, ooh, I don't even know, floral scent. So let's look at our little insert here to tell us a little bit more about each of these items. All right, the necklace by Buku is 24 white or yellow gold dipped with CZ stones. Element candle by Patty Wax. So it came in either air, earth, fire, or water, depending on your sign. So mine is a fire sign. I actually want to look that up and see what notes are in there because it smells really good. Gemstones were based on our sign. The trinket dish by Demetria Chapo, and then the astrology book. I am going to do a full review down in my blog. I'll probably try to do a price breakdown to show you guys the value. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll also link to Zodiac Box so you can check them out if you're interested. Let me know your sign. Let me know what you think. Like if you, what is your signs, like, what are the positives and the negatives of your sign? I like to see those. I think it's interesting. So let me know down below. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.